Good afternoon. It is presently 1:40 p.m. Sunday afternoon, July 22nd, 2018, here in Hermitage, Tennessee. Slightly overcast, but a glorious day out. The humidity's not real bad. Anyway, with that out of the way, just a heads up. As you may or may not know, sometime back I did a 3-session video on the meeting settings of Zoom. I have now subscribed for the webinar module, so I will be doing a series on the webinar settings. This is just a short preview of what we'll be doing. This is what you can do in the webinars. You can do the branding, the logo, the themes. You've got a world of email things that you can do, registration settings, email settings, and the webinar settings. Yeah. Now, we won't be going through any of these today. This is just to show you what we will be going through. Okay? So if we've got that and we want to schedule a webinar. Okay, so we now go down here where it says my webinars, and we say schedule a webinar. This is what you have to do to schedule a webinar. You just click that, you give a title and a description, pick the date and time, the duration, what time zone you're going to be in when the webinar is held. Not your home. If you're in your home time zone, that's fine. But like I live in Nashville, well, that's Central Time. Okay. But if I travel to Denver, that's Mountain Time. So when I set this up, if I'm going to be in Denver on that date, I want to set this time zone for the Denver time zone so that it converts correctly on everybody's calendar when you put it on their calendar. Otherwise, if I put Central and I'm in Denver, then everybody's going to be an hour off. You can set it for recurring webinar, whether you need registration required, the host videos and all. A lot of this is like doing a Zoom meeting. So there's not that much change, but when you get down to here, this is where some of the changes come in. You can enable the Q&A or you can disable the Q&A. We'll get into that with the actual setup of the thing. Enable the practice session, why you should always do that. Enable HD videos, get signed in members, record the webinar automatically. That can tie in with the enable practice session. All that will be explained. But this is just really a short, quick overview of what's going to be covered. The series will start on August the well, let me get over here to a calendar and see. August the 13th, that is a Monday. That was the same, so it would be 8 p.m. Central Time, 9 p.m. Eastern on Monday. That will be the same time that the previous series was held on the meeting settings and everything. So, you know, you might want to mark this on your calendar. There will be an official notification coming out later, but this is just a quick heads up about what's coming down the line. It looks like it's interesting. I have found some really neat use cases now that they have changed certain settings in the webinar with this last update. Of course, the meeting, they changed quite a bit there too. We can discuss that if you like. But basically, just a heads up as to what's coming down the pike. And if you don't see me around too much, it's because I'm working on this thing. We will talk to you later, and thanks for watching.